Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Wi-Fi with your Xfinity router and configure your wireless network properly, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Connect your Xfinity gateway or router to the cable outlet using the provided coaxial cable. Plug in the power adapter and turn on the device. Step 2. Wait approximately 10 minutes for the router to fully initialize. The indicator light should show steady white or green when ready for setup. Step 3. Download the Xfinity app on your smartphone or tablet for the easiest setup experience, or use a web browser on your computer. Step 4. If using the app, follow the guided setup process. If using a browser, connect to the default Xfinity Wi-Fi network shown on the router label and navigate to xfinity.com/getstarted. Step 5. Create your personalized Wi-Fi network name and a strong, secure password. Make sure your password contains a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Step 6. Complete the activation process by following all prompts in the app or browser setup wizard. This may include confirming your account information. Step 7. Once setup is complete, reconnect all your devices using the new Wi-Fi network name and password you created. Step 8. Test your internet connection on multiple devices to ensure everything works properly. Consider downloading the Xfinity app for ongoing network management and parental controls. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.